What's up, guys? Welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is a show where me, Jen, and this one over here, Kelly, that's her name. We review albums, some that we like, some that we don't, and we find the best tracks for you all to listen to, and we talk about what we like about our favorite tasty track. So,
that chai latte really kicked in for
that
her.
Chai latte kicked in for me. It's true. I told you.
I was warned that this is
gonna happen.
a lot going
it's
on.
Happening. It's happening.
It's happening.
So, what are we doing today?
We're doing the Fame, not the Fame Monster, the OG Fame by Lady Gaga.
Released 2008, debut album, which originally, do you know I didn't like? My ex-girlfriend sent me the album on CD. Do y'all remember CDs? They were shaped.
That's a small CD.
It's a They're a small CD. And I listened to it and I did not like it. And it wasn't until I saw her perform.
Paparazzi. That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
Paparazzi, that performance was just the most, goosebumps. It was crazy.
It was actually Bad Romance. When she did the Bad Romance thing where she breaks the glass to get in to start playing the piano.
Oh, yeah.
That was the video where I was like, who is this person? Then backtrack to the Paparazzi on the MTV Awards, 2009.
Yeah.
And that's when the obsession started. That's when it happened for me. What about you?
I don't know. You know, this was just like a soundtrack to my life back then. So it's just like, it takes me back, the whole record. It was hard to pick a favorite song because the entire thing was it's just so that era. Like the beats, the melodies, everything is just so 2000s and so like poppy and fun and good. I didn't get into Gaga right away. I definitely was like, I like Just Dance. I was kind of like, whatever. And then I think Paparazzi, the VMA performance was when I was like, oh, holy shit. Like, she's an artist. This is legit.
Yeah. She's not just manufactured pop artist that just sounds like everybody else and talks like everybody else and says the same stories.
Yeah. When I downloaded, so I only downloaded, this was a download era, so I thought I downloaded the whole record, but there were songs I had never heard before when we went back and listened to it for this. And like Money Honey, I had never heard before. Because I think I was kind of poor and I only downloaded like 3/4 of the record. So there was some stuff that was new to me.
I have the $7.99, not the $11.99.
Yeah, it was something like that where I was like, well,
I still need my Starbucks.
Wow.
So I'm gonna spend the $4 extra on Starbucks. Can't get the whole record.
$4 a day keeps the doctor away.
So you heard new tracks?
Only a couple, but yeah.
All right.
But then Money Honey almost ended up being my new favorite, and I'm not sure if it's just because it was new to me, but that's one of my favorites now.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's so cute. When she's like, "Tear me to pieces," it's so like cute. I just love it. It just makes me want to like hug her.
And you don't like touching anybody. You don't like physical contact.
I like
with humans.
Well, not with you. Not with humans, no. I don't know. Are you like walking around cuddling with your friends all the time? Is that like a thing?
In my mind.
I think I like a normal amount of space between me and other people. I don't have a lot of friends that we like hold each other. Is that something you need in this friendship?
No.
I'm not gonna do that, but I can get you this thing called a thunder jacket that you get for dogs and it makes them feel safe. It's like kind of like tight, like swaddles them.
We've talked about this and I was like, that feels really nice. Like the idea of that, having like a little swaddle. I would really like it.
I'm gonna get you a crib and a mobile and you can get in touch with your inner child all day.
I do have to learn how to reparent myself.
And we'll put like, what's comforting to you?
Xena,
like the warrior princess? Is that a thing of yours? Do I know anything about you?
You don't know that I love Xena?
No!
We've been friends for 10 years.
I've never heard you talk about Xena. I've never heard Xena be brought up before.
Maybe because just felt like I couldn't share that
You shouldn't have.
part of my heart. You shouldn't have. Okay.
All right, well.
Enough about...
Hey, Jen likes Xena and Lady Gaga and used to be really into Kelly Clarkson.
Okay.
So there we go.
There you go. You're summing stuff up.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want
So
to...
now we can still be friends, now that I know that you like Xena.
Yeah.
So wait, why were we talking about that?
I have no idea.
So anyway, this record.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into our favorite song, our tasty tracks.
Okay. Do you want to go first, or do you want me to?
I want you to go first.
Okay. Do you want to guess?
I think it's either Paparazzi or... I can't remember.
My favorite is Paparazzi.
Oh.
Well done.
Yay.
Well done. Yes.
Yay.
There was no question.
What do I win for that? A free 2-night stay in
a
Valley
free
Village.
2-night stay. Here. Some cuddles with my cat.
Her cat is a good cuddler.
Yeah.
I'm not used to that at all.
Yeah.
My cat's a real... Can I swear? I'm swearing on this.
You can swear, because I can beep it out.
My cat's a real dick. She doesn't want anything to do with me.
Well, it's my favorite song because what we just talked about with the MTV.
VMA, yeah.
It was just phenomenal. So I think having the story, understanding the story behind it, because I think the first time I heard it, it just sounded, I don't know, it just sounded very Hollywood and, like going out to the club, paparazzi, which I know this may seem strange coming from me, but I don't relate to that.
No.
I seem very glamorous and
You seem like you're just
trendy.
out, just at the club.
At the club.
Snorting coke.
Coke.
Being crazy.
Got my heels on.
In your fur vest.
I do have a fur vest.
She has a fur vest that we've named Victor.
Yeah.
Victor
It's
the
great.
Best.
It's great. But I think that,
Sorry, I'm gonna up the pronouns sometimes.
Yeah.
And please don't read me in the comments. I'm not gonna read them anyway. First thing you learn when you make YouTube videos is you don't read the comments.
True.
But, this is I'm learning, I'm adapting. I've known Jen for 10 years as a female. So it's just kind of a habit. I catch myself most of the time. If I don't, just know Jen doesn't hate me for it.
I don't. Oh, just I do like that. I love pop songs that are dark, that have that dark spin to it, where it's it's dancey, it's fun right away, because that's also why I love Bad Romance. Even though that's not part of the Tasty track, I love Bad Romance.
But Bad Romance was part of the Fame Monster.
Yeah.
That was the extended. Okay.
Yeah.
I couldn't remember.
But the fact that it has that dark twist and what the paparazzi actually mean, and then the darkness of both the regular video and
that performance.
And the performance, I was just fascinated by.
Yeah.
And still, I think there's so many great songs on that album. I love Poker Face. So that was kind of hard, but right away, once I listened to it, I was like, no, Paparazzi every single time.
Yeah.
So that's it for me. I love the darkness. I love the story behind it. I love her performances on it, any of her live performances, and I just always dance, and I do love that. You gotta do that.
It's kind of like you get punched in the gut, but in a cute way. Like you punched a baby in the gut, but it's not mad at you, and it didn't hurt.
Like a toy, like one of those little toys.
Yeah.
Like an Elmo, Tickle Me Elmo,
Yeah.
but it's Punch Me Gaga.
You're welcome, Stephanie. Mine is just a pure. It wasn't a single. There's no video. It's just a pure fun, going out to the bars, getting drunk, dancing with boys, wearing glitter. Probably had a streak of brown in my hair, with brown paneling in my hair. What else was I wearing? I was just, I had some hoop earrings. There was no YouTube tutorial on what to do with my face. And I was listening to this song, and it's called Boys, Boys,
I
Boys.
knew it.
Did you?
Yeah. Yep. Once you started once you started in, I was like, yep.
Yeah.
And what is it? What is it about, of all the tunes?
Well, and it was really hard. Like, it's not like that is my favorite by a long shot. Like, I love, so, like, all of those songs are, like, just feel good, great, you know. Just, like, make me think of, like, glitter and getting dressed up. That one, there's a clap track to it, which is, like, my favorite thing in the world. Has a fade out at the end, which I think, like, we need more fade outs. Why are people not taking more... I don't know why I like it, just because I feel like that's kind of like an old school thing that people don't really do anymore. Like, take the easy way out. Just turn it down slowly. Why are we making it complicated?
Why are we doing endings and stops?
Right? It's just the way that, like, now that I'm a little older, only a little older, not a lot older, like, how I exit a party. Fade out. Slowly inch toward the door. Get the fuck out. No, it's just a feel-good track, you know? And I love that. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, oh. I like that part. Mm-hmm. And I like how she, on this whole record, she kind of does this, like, what I call, like, Gwen Stefani thing, where it's kind of like the like the baby voice, but not the Britney Spears baby voice.
Yeah. Yep.
And she did it a lot on this record and doesn't do it after on the other records so much, but
what was it?
Like that.
I like boys and their friends.
Yeah. I like boys and that is that.
Yeah.
And she likes boys that make her eggs in the morning.
Do you like that? Do you like making eggs in the morning?
I don't know that I've had anyone make me eggs in the morning, but it would probably be nice. I would really, you know what? No. I just go to Starbucks, get me my drink, and we're good. I don't need eggs.
Okay. Good to know. They're going to want to know. You're going to want to know what your morning needs
What
are.
my morning need. That's really, I need a cuddle with Penny, and I need a Starbucks, and I need no one to talk to me. Just for at least an hour. And then we're good.
Great.
Then I can be a person.
That's great.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the final verdict. Paparazzi.
That's the final verdict.
For me.
Do we have any, like, little sub favorites?
Oh, I mean, Poker Face. Poker Face is
Poker Face. Okay.
Is my sub favorite.
Yeah.
What about you? What's it called? The honorable mentions.
Honorable mentions. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Probably, I don't know. I mean, not to be obsessed with boys, but Summer Boy is also a good little, like, disco-y fun song.
Wow. I'm really surprised.
I still have the summer after all. It's a good little groovy tune. I don't know. I've always liked that one. Yeah. It's good.
Yeah. All right. That's it. Well, now you know the tastiest tracks according to me and Kelly for The Fame by Lady Gaga.
For The Fame.
That's it.
That's it. We should take everyone out, every episode out with a low and a high, just like a note.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Are we
Goodbye. Oh, well, we should fade out though.
Ooh. Okay, ready?
Goodbye.
It's so nice. It just resolves.
Hey.
Hold on, I'm not hearing it right. Hold on. Name that song. What is that song called?